how to insert the HTML table in the MassMailer template builder. So you need to go to the website called tablesgenerator.com. You can see this on this browser URL, tablesgenerator.com, and click on this HTML tables tab, and which is going to bring up this particular section out here. And here you can actually select what is the size of the table. An example like this, it could be any rows or any columns, something like that. And each cell, you can actually enter whatever information that you need to enter, whatever the text it could be, right, for your table that you want to display. And then click on this generate button, and that is actually going to give you the HTML right here. And copy this to the clipboard by clicking on this button called copy to clipboard. And now go back to your MassMailer template builder tab, bring up your editor, and then here you can actually go back to the editor section, and then drag and drop HTML component or HTML content item, and it shows this HTML content block. And here, wherever it says I'm a new HTML block, copy paste the content that you got from the HTML table generator. And that's how you can actually create a HTML table. And this is not going to be an image, it's just a pure HTML. And this can be saved and then sent as an email. And people will see the standard HTML, where it's showing a table in the regular HTML email template. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. And if you need any assistance with MassMailer, go to massmailer.io, click on the support button, or send us an email at support@massmailer.io. Thank you.